Hi everyone, this is the first video on the channel about coding, where we will gradually build different apps using the programming language Swift. Quick disclaimer, before I was working as a designer and was creating some stuff like this one, and this one, and this one, and so on. I never really paid attention to coding before and had nothing to do with any programming language, but now I know some basics of programming and have watched some Swift lessons, so I clearly understand the fundamental things. So my goal for this playlist is to master this language. Yeah, some people have hobbies like video games, sport, or going for a walk, but I set this goal for myself. And you know, this process is so different from what I did before, so it makes it even more interesting for me. I'm going to post this kind of video every week where we will talk about updates in the app, the challenges I faced, and what we will do on the next week. If you already subscribed on the channel and wonder if I'm going to continue customizing devices, of course yes. As soon as I finish this one, I will start a new custom project. You will definitely like it, especially video gamers. So about the app. You all know the apps that help you to track your money spent or the calories you have eaten, so I decided to make an app that will help you to control your time spent. For example, I do really care about my time. For now, we will have the simple name, Time Tracker. I started from scratch, just drew it in a Procreate so I could have a clear idea of what it should look like. I ended up with 3 screens using the tab bar. Decided to use storyboard because I'm working on this app solo and can make MVP without writing a single line of code. So this method is perfect for a beginner like me. The idea of the app is that the user can add the time they have spent or plan to spend, along with the name for the activity, and check the statistic later. As a result, we have second screen that shows overall statistic for the week and month, and you can also tap the View Details button and you will go to another screen with more detailed statistic and the time spent on each activity. And now let's move on the main screen, the biggest one, where we have 3 sections. So let's have a look on the first section. Here you can see the total number of hours in your day, and you can even change this number. Just click the gear icon in the corner of the screen to go to the settings. For this, I used navigation controller and pass data using the segue. The cool part of this section is that the progress view will fill with the right color depending on how you spent your day, along with the more detailed numbers of the spent time. So let's check out the second section. This is the first option to add time. There are 2 steppers, one for hours and one for minutes. I've also added safety features so you cannot enter negative values or add more hours than there are in your day. I limited the minute stepper to 60 because if you want to add 60 minutes or more, you should use the hour stepper instead. And my favorite one, a toggle switch, that will decide whether you are adding positive time or negative time. And of course, there is an add button that adds the time to the statistic. Let's talk a bit about it. When you click the button, an alert pops out asking you to enter the name of activity or cancel the action. I've also added alerts in case you try to add 0 hours and 0 minutes, or if you exceed the total number of hours in your day. For example, if you try to add 15 hours twice in a normal 24-hour day. For user convenience, I reset the hour and minute values after each alert so you don't have to do it manually. In the third section, this is where I plan to add a timer, but right now it's just a draft. The buttons don't work yet, so we will not focus on it. And finally, there is the Reset Day button, which completely erases all the information and data for the current day. Before doing so, you will get an alert asking you to confirm your action. So far, this is all what I managed to do, but this is just the beginning, and I would like to announce what I want to do with this app. Completely finish all the features, fix all the bugs, create a nice design, integrate it with a feature of iPhone that called Screen Time, that will add your spent time automatically. And of course, after all of that, we will upload the app to the App Store. The app will completely free with no premium features, so everything for everyone. And the final thing, we will make a companion app for Apple Watch. In the future video, I plan to spend more time and focus on the code I have written and how I implemented each of functions. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. I will be glad if you like this video and subscribe. All the links to my other social media below in the description. It would be great if you subscribe to them too. But for today we are done, so later.